right, we are ready to start meeting our Teen Miss Starpower finalists. Our first contestant, tell everyone your name.
Gianna Cugliari.
And Gianna, we were chit-chatting backstage, and you said you wanted to give some shout-outs.
To my family, friends, and dance teachers.
Amazing, shout-out to them. Well, you are ready to hit the stage. Go ahead and get set. Gianna is coming from Mars, Pennsylvania. Please give it up for Bird Girl.
My heart